Okay, today's episode we're going to talk about capstone attitude system control was restored after a month of repairing. The engineers announced that they have restored the normal attitude control of a CubeSat bound for the month after the trajectory correction maneuver a month ago. Here is a quick review of the accident. The cislunar autonomous positioning system technology operations and the navigation experiments, in short CAPSTONE, spacecraft was performing its third trajectory correction maneuver back on September 8th. A problem was encountered and it had to enter the protective safe mode. On October 7th, Advanced Space, the company that owns the CAPSTONE, said it was able to restore the normal 3-axis attitude control of the spacecraft, which means they have the control back, and the spacecraft was in spin stabilized state starting from the entering the safe mode until now. Advanced Space said the engineers isolate the problem with a valve that one of the spacecraft's 8 thrusters. After running a series of simulations, they upload the fixed commands to the spacecraft on October 6 to restore the 3-axis attitude control. The CAPSTONE will continue testing the stability of the near rectilinear halo orbit that will be used in future missions. The estimated date enter the orbit around the Moon is November 13th.